Welcome to the virtual Mitchell experience. I know you guys miss me, but at least I'm here in spirit. Alright, if you need the sub to pause or rewind the video at any time, please ask him or her to do so. Also, if we don't get through everything or there's something you didn't quite get in class, these will be posted on the website, so you can check them out later. And again, if you miss me too much, you can hear my lovely voice on the website. Alright, let's take a look at number 1. We're looking at one-sided limit here, and we're going to do it without looking at a graph, without a calculator. So, we're going to take the limit as x approaches 4 from the right. So let's look at a couple values that are to the right of 4. 4.1. If we have 4.1 and we put that in here, we're not going to find an exact value, but 4.1 minus 4 is 0.1. So we'd have square root of 0.1 plus 3. So square root of 0.1 is going to be decimal, small decimal. Let's say we get a little bit closer and we're at 4.01. If we put that in here, 4.01 minus 4 is 0.01. So square root of 0.01 plus 3. Even closer, 4.001, we would end up with square root of 0.001 plus 3. So what's happening to this square root part? These numbers on the inside are getting smaller and smaller. They're getting closer and closer to 0. And if we take the square root of those are also getting closer and closer to 0. So our limit as x approaches 4 from the right of this part is going to be 0. And then we have the plus 3 at the end. And the limit of a constant is just the constant. So we'd have 0 plus 3. So our limit from the right side is just going to be 3. Because this number, as we get closer and closer to 4 for x, the y value is getting closer and closer to 0 at this point, at this part of it. And then we're adding 3 to that. But that's not changing. It's constant. It's the same. Let's take a look at the limit as x approaches 4 from the left. So if we start with 3.9, that's a number pretty close to 4 on the left side. If we plug that in, we get square root of negative 0.1 plus 3. But we can't have square root of negative 0.1. That doesn't work. So for this one, our limit does not exist. And as we talked about the past couple of days, if the two one-sided limits don't exist, or I'm sorry, if they aren't the same, then our overall limit does not exist. Remember, the two one-sided limits have to be the same in order for the limit to exist. You guys have any questions? Well, too bad, because I can't answer them. But maybe somebody else in the classroom can. So raise your hand and ask. Maybe somebody can help you out.